There are only 7 easy steps that helped me master anatomy when drawing. The same way there are basically 7 steps to building a car. I didn't exactly study the human body, but I can say with near complete confidence that my steps will guarantee your improvement. But that's only if you implement every single step. Step 1 is to study anatomy-ish. Most people will tell you to study the human body, buy courses, read books, watch videos on human anatomy and other stuff like that. But hear me out, it's not necessary to do all that. What I did was to learn cubes, not just any cube, a cube in all perspectives. Once you can draw a cube in any perspective, you've pretty much finished step 1 because a cube is in every single drawing. In building a car, you will need to make a plan or blueprint in the same sense. Practicing the cube in perspective is like making your blueprint to pro anatomy. Our second step is to practice gesture drawing. Capture the essence of movement and rhythm with gesture drawing. Focus on quick fluid sketches to convey the flow of your body. It's all about capturing the energy of the pose. Experiment with different poses and time limits to challenge yourself and improve your skills. When building a car, you may need to test some car parts to rule out what isn't necessary and prioritize what is extremely vital. Same thing is applied here. In gesture drawing, you're prioritizing the pose and eliminating the unnecessary details. Our step 3 is to break it down by simplifying complex forms. We do this by breaking the body into basic shapes. Start with circles, ovals and cylinders to block out the main elements. This technique helps you establish proportions and structure. Once you have the basic framework, you can gradually add details and refine your drawing. In our third step for building your car, you'll use basic materials and frameworks and not the real metal material just yet, so that you can take the car on a test ride before you put the main body on the car. In the same way, by breaking down your drawing into basic shapes, that will help you test if your pose is properly blocked. Step 4 is to practice by observation. Observe real-life models, photographs, or even yourself in the mirror. Pay attention on how muscles contract and stretch in different poses. Practice drawing from observation to enhance your understanding. In the fourth step of building your car, you will need to observe how the car performs in real life, not just what your calculations and videos have shown. Similarly, you'll need to practice from real-life people, whether images or in person. Try not to practice with an animated character as the reference. Don't forget to take breaks and study different angles to improve your observation skills. Step 5. Experiment with techniques. Don't be afraid to explore different drawing techniques and styles, whether it's pencil, ink, digital. Find what works best for you and experiment with textures, shading, and line weights. In step 5 of building your car, you may want to make your car look different from every other car out there by changing its design, color, or size. Just like in drawing, you may want to use pencils, ink, acrylics, digital, or other methods. Mix it up, have fun, and see what works out best for you. Step 6 is to seek feedback. Do not hesitate to share your work with others and ask for feedback. Join online communities, attend workshops, or find a mentor or a friend who can provide constructive criticism and maybe some guidance. The same way you will never build a car alone is the same way you may need to ask another opinion from someone else, preferably an artist. Feedback is essential for growth and improvement, so embrace it with an open mind. Our 7th step is continual practice. Like any skill, mastering anatomy drawing takes time and dedication. Set aside regular practice sessions. Challenge yourself with new subjects and techniques. And most importantly, do not give up. Building a car requires continual effort and time. So in the same way, anatomy drawing takes time and practice. Remember, every stroke brings you one step closer to mastering anatomy drawing. To fully master anatomy, you need gesture drawing. So watch this video next to know all you need to know about gesture drawing.